elements, earth, fire, water, air, are merely subservient, interplaying with the Akash field. So this has been around, this concept of Akashic Records, for a very long time, guys, way beyond than just normal hundreds of years, but thousands and thousands of years back. So it's pretty crazy, and it's actually really interesting. I'm really excited by it, being able to connect with that field. Now, the Sanskrit word is known as Akash, okay, which is ether in the five elements. Now, there's been discussion about how to prove that Akash exists, and for many moons, people would say, "Oh, no, it doesn't exist. They poo-poo it." But what's happened is Dr. Aaron Laszlo, the scientist, this physicist actually, worked out that the quantum field permeates all things, which is the Akash in its entirety. It's actually it's boundless. That's the definition of Akash. It's boundless. It doesn't have any boundaries, defined boundaries. Just like air comes into us, air comes out of us. Food comes into us, food comes out of us. So the Akash is boundless. It's the field that permeates all beings. The universe, the space and time are all full of Akash. So it's a really interesting concept.